One thing that's really dysregulating for a baby is what we've all learned, how to burp a baby. You throw them over your shoulder, you pat, 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 you pat their popo or their back, and their nervous system is still developing. Their central nervous system along their spine is so sensitive. What I found works, and I want you to try it, let me know what you think, is I feed her, then I just put her up onto my chest, little propped up, I'm leaning back, and the burp just comes. I don't even need to do anything. I just give her little kisses like this, and it comes like this. Watch. That's good. There we go. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, and then she feels great. Try it. Let me know what you think.